what my brother did. I'm very proud of the fact in 50 years later, he's able to inspire.
ये वीर गाथा हर एक भारतीय को देखनी चाहिए.
You made me relive every single moment that happened to me 53 years ago.
ये कहानी एक इत्तेफाक से शुरू होती है.
This is to remember a friend and a cosmate. His famous last words are, "My gun is still firing."
इसके अंदर ऐसी इमोशन थी, जो वैभव की आंखें थी, जो माँ की आंखें थी, और सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है जो आपकी आत्मा थी वो बोल रही.
They shall not grow old as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun and in the mornings, we will remember them.
Thank you all of you from the bottom of our hearts. Hope this inspires you.
I think it will motivate many youngsters to participate in army related stuff and also get into Indian Army. So I think it will really motivate a lot of youngsters to become something like Arun Khetrapal. Yeah.
Wonderful movie, brilliantly done, very emotional story, and very well done. It should go to all the schools and colleges.
Arun Khetrapal is a legend. That too in the most decorated regiment, that is the Pune Horse. So that was like icing on the cake. And it made me realize a lot of things. That Arun Khetrapal was a very self-aware human. So I tried to inculcate that in my personality as well. So I think it was a blessing, which I never thought, and I guess that was God's plan that we met, and He gave me the role. Yeah, I strongly feel, and even my theatre gurus, they tell me that whatever character you do, subconsciously they stay inside you. He is the perfect icon since at the age of 21, when people have no clue what to do in life, he was very self-aware, he knew what to do, he had that sort of courage, which takes a lot of time to develop. He was a genius because he learned how to, control the tank at such a short span of time. So he had an amazing focus of, doing anything he wants, and he achieved it. And he knew his destiny. So he was very, very clear about things. So yeah. I was very skeptical whether I'll be able to do the intense scenes, but I think there's something in the cantonment, the surrounding, the army people. They motivated me. You were there. You were able to guide me. You had that sort of patience.
I was against Arun Khetrapal, which was playing by Vaibhav Khanna. So when I was into that war zone, so that was very important to me because I was totally involved in this scene. While watching also, I was like, I feel so with goosebumps. So it's something very special to me. Yeah.
Rather than enjoy, I learned a lot from this project. So, what is the life of a tank commander? And how do you feel when tank fire? How they operate from the inside the tank?
And I'm so glad to see that this is his first major film, and I think everybody cried, and we are so happy that he has done well, and we can only bless him. And thanks to Aditya and General Bakshi Saab who saw something in him and gave him this opportunity. We are very grateful. Thank you.
Jai Hind!